Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this Rifter in the GT line specification. So this car comes with a lovely panoramic glass roof, there's 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, sliding side doors, you get full LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors with 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen features 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control, smartphone charging plate. Some great safety features too, including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. It's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 100 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done 8,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.